So I thought I'd film this fan, because I haven't in about a year. I think you guys liked this fan, because the old video got about 10,000 views, which is the most I've ever gotten, so that made me really happy. I'm on vacation right now, and this is one of the many ceiling fans in this house. So, yeah, this is the 1999. It is confirmed 1999 on the sticker on top. Hunter Sea Air ceiling fan. This is probably my favorite Hunter fan, just out of nostalgia. And I really like the way that these look. I will definitely be taking this fan one day. And I'm gonna have to, because it's on a dimmer, and I really don't want this fan to... I don't want this motor to burn out, or I don't want the dimmer to kill it, because it will do that. This isn't the only fan up here, actually. Right next to it is this Airflow Hugger, made by Casablanca. Okay, I'm gonna quit blabbering, and I'll run this fan. I'm gonna see if it's on first. I think it is. Turn the dimmer all the way down. Yep. Okay, that is most likely on high. So... I'm not gonna dim it at all. Yep, okay. Start off with low. Or actually, there's the light. Ooh. I think this fan gets way more use than it should, and people just don't understand what dimmers can do to these fans, which makes me kind of sad, because I love this fan. It's an awesome fan. All right, here's low. If I ever do take this fan out of this house, it's definitely going in my room, because these are relatively hard to find in this good of shape, because, you know, these are usually used outdoors. I've always wanted to find one of these new in box. That's always been on my bucket list. As you can tell, it's very hummy. Yeah. Ooh, alright, I gotta go fast, because this video is gonna be like 10 minutes long, probably. Hopefully not. Here's medium. Yeah, just in case you're curious, I guess I will dim it just a little bit. Never doing that again. It just kills me. when I do take this fan out, I'll put a fan in here that I don't care about. Alright, here's high. I can't remember if this one wobbles or not. It might. You can really hear how loud this fan gets, though. The only reason this fan was put up here and put on a dimmer is because there's these 4 can lights around it. And then there used to be a can light right where this fan is sitting, and they used to be on a dimmer, but of course, you know, since this fan is on the 3rd floor of this house, technically, it gets really hot up here, even with these multiple air vents that we have up here. It gets really hot up here, so they needed a fan. And I don't think they were gonna put it on a separate switch, or just, you know, get rid of the dimmer. So they just slapped a fan right there. It happened to be one of the best fans that I've ever seen in person, other than those Casas at my grandmom's house, which actually they also own this house, so they have a lot of great fans. They even have a Fasco Vanity Fair in their closet at their house. They have a Casablanca Victorian in their master bedroom, which sadly does not work. Your spin down. No, that Casa. Oh, my bad. That Victorian. It's either the board or it's the IntelliTouch switch that just doesn't work. I'll have to find out, or I'll have to dig into it and find out what's wrong with that fan, because I really want to get that up and running again. And then right next to their master bedroom is the family room, which there's also a family room in this house with a Hunter Low Profile 3, which is like a smaller version. In their family room at their house is a Casablanca Meridian from, I think it's from 1989 or 88, could be earlier too. And then they have a Panama in my grandmom's office, which, you know, they all work great except for that Vic. Victorian. I have videos of the Meridian and Panama on my channel. And I will take a video of that Victorian once I get it up and running. And those fans I will take when if I need to. If they ever move, then I will take those fans out. Okay, well, I was about right. It's 10 minutes long, so. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.